Here's how to set up RustDesk Remote on Windows, macOS, and Linux. First, go to the RustDesk website and click on the download options. As you scroll up, you will see there are different features where you can go ahead and download it to different desktop or device that you have. Now, let's start first on how are you going to download it on Windows. As you can see, there is a window column right there. What you need to do is to press on the EXE and press the download options. Same goes way with the macOS or Mac. As you can see, there is a Mac column right there. What you need to do is to click on the download options and wait for it to be downloadable on your device. Now, as you can see, Linux is not actually seen there. As you scroll up, you will see there Arch Linux. What you need to do is to click on the download option once again and it will now appear. Now, let's go down to the assets. If you want a general, more downloadable device, you can just go ahead and scroll down to the assets options until you see there the RustDesk with the EXE file. What you need to do is to press on that and click on the download option once again. So once you have already downloaded it to the device that you have, to Windows, macOS, or Mac or Linux, here is how are you going to set it up. Just enter the remote ID and click connect.